In this video, I want to talk about how you can chat with the Wise customer service. Now, what you can do is just Google Wise customer service and it should take you to this page. In here, you just want to fill out what problem you're having. Even if you don't actually have a problem with any of these, just select anything. But if you have one with one of these, just select the correct one. So just choose something in here. And once this pops up, and if you still don't solve your issue, click on I still need help. In here, you will be able to chat with them, call with them, or email them. Simply select the one you want to do, and then you should come in contact with Wise. Now keep in mind, phone is usually 24/7, email usually responds back within 24 hours, and chat can be a little different because sometimes I believe you can chat with the AI or with a real human. So that's basically how you do it. Now with the chat, I'm not entirely sure if it's AI or not, but most likely it will be AI or with a human. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.